What up, YouTube? This is 34 Skyline, and today I finally got my new laptop. I had another laptop before. I had a MacBook years ago, and I didn't do a unboxing on that one. This is before I got a lot of 1,000 subscribers. This is way back, I would say around 2009. 2010, around there, between 2009 and 2010, I had a MacBook, but I never unboxed it. So this is a first unboxing of a laptop. You may know that you guys have been long-time subscribers. I always bought Mac Pros. I had a 2008 Mac Pro. I had a 2010 Mac Pro. I had a 2013 trash can Mac Pro, and I still have the 2019 Mac Pro. I did buy two different computers. I bought my very first Mac was a Mac Mini with running Tiger, and I had it hooked up to a 23-inch Cinema display. And the other one was an iMac 5K. And the only reason I bought that because I liked the display, like the 5K display. So, but I'm never going to buy that again. I'm done with that. I'm never going to buy an iMac again. It's a great computer for some people, but it's not for me. I'm never going to buy it again. But anyway, this is a 16-inch. It's not the fully loaded one. I got the 3,499 stock one. I'm just going to test it out for a couple years, and if I like it, then I'll continue to buy a MacBook Pro instead of getting a Mac Pro, because I'm very, very, very disappointed in today's new Mac Pro. I was thinking about getting it, but I changed my mind because I'm not spending $12,000 on a Mac for a Mac Pro that it's going to be empty. I might as well spend $4,000 or for a Mac Studio that does the same thing for half the cost. But anyway, yeah, I was very disappointed in the new Mac Pro, and I'm glad I didn't go and buy it. I'd rather just get the laptop and hook it up to my XDR displays and go on from there. And like I said, if I like this MacBook Pro, then I will continue to buy it, and the next one I'm going to get, it'll be fully spec top end. But for right now, I'm just testing it out. So let's get to unboxing of this MacBook here. And like I said, this is a very first unboxing of a laptop on my channel. Oh man, I'm really not a laptop user. I'm really not a laptop user. I'm more of a desktop kind of guy. And this is in Apple's launch color, space black. But I don't have nothing to compare it to because I don't have all my Mac Pro is silver. The displays are silver, and like I can't compare the colors to other laptops because this is my first one. I sold my MacBook a long time ago, and here's the laptop itself. I'm gonna put it aside. Does have the black cables. It does have the black cables, which is cool, but not the same color as the laptop. And your instructions. I don't really care. You guys seen it before. The instructions on the MacBook Pro and some Apple stickers, which I'm never going to use. They these type of stickers in the Mac Pro, but I never used them. It's still brand new in the box. And in the power brick. And here's the power brick. This should have came in black. So, and that's it. And let's open it up. Wow, this is like, well, like I said, I didn't have any other colors, Mac, so I can't compare it. Wow, this is nice. Space black. I like it, you guys. All right, I'm in love. I'm in love already. But yeah, let's open it up. Turns right on. So let me get this set up and I'll be right back. Okay, YouTube, it's been a couple days since I had the MacBook Pro. On the left side, it's all Mac OS, and on the right is Windows 11. I am totally finished setting everything up on the MacBook Pro, so that's ready to go. And yeah, I'm loving the laptop so far. The space black is awesome. The launch color space black is awesome. I'm hoping, but I don't know they're going to do it, is making space black for the Mac Pro. That will be something if they came out with it. But if they did, I probably won't buy it because, like I said before, this is the last Mac Pro that I'm going to buy. Like, I like putting my own video cards, and you guys, for years, you guys see me putting a 1080 GTX. You see me put a Titan X. You see me put Titan RTX in the Mac Pros. Those days are gone. Those days are super gone, and we're not going to be able to do that ever again. So for that reason, I'm not buying a Mac Pro no more. And this is the last one I'm going to buy. Unless Apple down the road let us use the different video cards in our Mac Pros, then until that day, I'm not going to buy it anymore. I'm going to start buying laptops now. So I'm going to test this out for a year and see if I like it. And if it does my workflow very well, then I will continue to buy it, and my next one will be a top spec one. If I don't like it, I'm going to try the Mac Studio next if I don't like it. So who knows? That's the only time will tell. But yeah, so I'm not going to use dual monitors on one computer. So this side will be my Mac OS, and this side will be my Windows 11. So, but yeah, I'm loving the new MacBook Pro. I love the new color. I just can't get over it. I love the new color. Thanks for you guys are advices out there. A lot of you people give me advice on which MacBook Pro I should get, and like I said, I didn't get the top spec one. I got the $3,499 one. But my next MacBook Pro that I'm going to get will be a top spec one. I'm just in the testing phase right now to see if this computer can work out my workflow on my computer. But anyway, still selling the Mac Pro. If you guys are interested in that, I'm still trying to get rid of that. And Who knows? I might keep it. Who knows? But anyway, thanks for watching. Peace.